friends, this is Sejal and today let's make pineapple lemonade. It's very easy to prepare and takes just few minutes. First I took pineapple pieces and blended them and then strained to make this pineapple juice. It's around 2 cup. And took 1 cup of lime juice, 1/4 cup of mint leaves, half cup of sugar and lime slice and some mint leaves for garnishing. First I'm taking mint leaves, sugar and water in one pan and mixing it well and putting it to the boiling. Once it's boiling, I'm just keeping it on low flame and then covered it. After 15 minutes, I'm turning off the stove. Let it cool for some time and then straining it. Now taking this all together in one big jar. And stirring it well. Now take some ice cubes and pour the lemonade over it. Garnish it and serve it. It's very refreshing summer drink and hope you would like it. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye. Take care friends.